Ultrasonic machining. This machine comes under the classification of mechanical. Ultrasonic machining or ultrasonic vibration machining is a manufacturing process that removes the material from the surfaces of a part through high frequency, low amplitude vibrations of a tool against the material surface in the presence of fine abrasive particles. Here the machining is because of the high frequency, low amplitude vibrations of a tool, and secondary because of the fine abrasive particles. So let's see how we get the low amplitude vibration and high frequency at a tool. So for that we take a magnetostrictive transducer. The function of this transducer is to convert the oscillating current to a mechanical vibration by magnetostriction action. Magnetostriction action means when we supply a oscillating current to a material which is ferromaterial, when he receives the oscillating current, it changes shape and again regain that shape. So this action, change in shape, means elongate and then reduce. This action is nothing but a vibration. So magnetostriction action is action in which material gain the electrical energy and it's elongated and again come back to its original position. So because of that, we consider it as a vibration. Below the magnetostrictive transducer, we place a velocity transducer that is called sonotrode. And function of this sonotrode is to vibrate at low amplitude and high frequencies. And this sonotrode usually made up of low carbon steel. Below this sonotrode, we kept a tool that is low carbon steel which provide the amplitude of 0.05 to 0.125 mm. Here, these two parts, sonotrode and tool, they are not differed, they are same, but for understanding purpose, I am showing this tool as a different, but these two parts are same. Electrical current is supplied through electronic oscillator, and this electronic oscillator produces an alternating current which is oscillating at a frequency of 80 and 40 kilohertz. So this frequency itself a ultrasonic frequency. Then a workpiece is mounted below the sonotrode, and for providing an abrasive particle, we generally take an abrasive slurry which is a boron carbide, aluminum oxide or silicon carbide. So percentage of this abrasive is 20 to 60% by its volume, mixed with the water, is kept to provide below the sonotrode when the machining is happening. When we provide alternating current which is oscillating at a frequency of 80 to 40 kilohertz to the magnetostrictive transducer, it receives the oscillating current and it converts into mechanical vibration by magnetostriction action, and this vibration passes to a sonotrode, and because of that this sonotrode is start vibrating. When we touch this sonotrode to the workpiece, the abrasive slurry is supplied, and because of the vibration of this sonotrode and the abrasive slurry, this both action, we got our desirable machining. So in this way this machine works. Advantages: this machining method is capable of machining brittle and hard material with high precision. It can machine fragile material such as glass and non-conductive metals which are not machined by non-traditional method such as electrochemical machining or electrical discharge machining. So these are the drawbacks of actually EDM and ECM, which is not able to cut the fragile materials. So this is possible with the help of USM. It is capable of producing high tolerance parts. There is no distortion produced in the work material, and this is because no heat is generated by the velocity transformer, that is sonotrode, against the workpiece. So actually there is no heat because there is a low amplitude and high frequency. There is no change observed in the physical property of material. The machine part produced require fewer machining processes because of absence of burrs in the process. It means that it is a burr-free machining process. Disadvantages: the metal removal is slow due to microchipping or erosion mechanism. The wear of velocity transformer, that is sonotrode tip, occurs more quickly. The machining of deep hole is not easy by this method because of inability of abrasive slurry to flow at the bottom of the hole except rotary ultrasonic machining. So it is possible only with the help of rotary ultrasonic machining. Ultrasonic vibration machining can be used only to machine material that have hardness value at least 45 HRC. So HRC you know very well, Rockwell scale to measure hardness of material. Application: it is commonly used to machine brittle and hard materials. Glass, carbide, ceramics, precious stones and hardened steel are the most common material machined by USM. It is very precise machining method and used in the creation of micro electrochemical systems components like microstructured glass wafers. Thank you for watching this video.